Hey travelers, today we're sharing with you 9 free apps to help you create a stunning Instagram account. You'll need 3 types of apps to do this. First, a photo editor, next, an Insta feed planner, and third, a story creator. First, a photo editor. You know when you're standing there and you see a beautiful sunset and you try to take a picture of it but it just doesn't capture it? That's what a photo editor is for. The first one we want to tell you about is Lightroom by Adobe. We love this app. It's a really great, easy way to edit all of the settings that make an incredible photo. There are also lots of social media influencers and photographers who design and sell presets, which are specific combos of settings. These settings can instantly give your photos a desired result with just one click. Most often, these presets can be purchased and then uploaded to Lightroom, which can be a real time saver when you want all of your photos to have a similar look. We'll link some of our favorite influencers below who have presets for sale. Next is Snapseed. This app has 25 tools that let you edit so many little things in very specific areas of your photos. For example, if you want to turn up the exposure in just one corner of the picture, you can do that. It may take a little practice to figure this app out, but it will be so helpful once you do. Next is VSCO. If you don't have any purchased presets, then this app is great since they provide 13 free ones for you. Once you've applied a preset to your picture, or even if you decide not to use one, you can fine-tune details like the exposure, contrast, clarity, and saturation of your photo. This app is awesome if you want to get practice with the basics and lingo of editing. If you decide to pay for the membership option, which is $19.99 per year, then you can use 200 plus presets and can edit videos on VSCO as well. The next type of app is an Insta feed planner. If you want to create a feed that's all around visually appealing, it's really helpful to have an app that will let you see what your pictures look like next to each other without actually having to post them onto your Instagram account. That's what these apps are for. There's 3 apps we recommend here: In Preview, Planoly, and Preview. All 3 of these apps have really similar features, so you'll just have to try them out and see which one works best for you. Just note that the free versions of each only let you connect them with one Instagram account. Next is a story creator. Curating a story that is well designed can be so time-consuming and frustrating if you only have the Instagram app to work with. If you want to make unique and eye-catching stories, these are the apps that we recommend. First is a design kit. This is such a fun app that allows you to paint on your photos, include stickers, text, designs, and so much more to create really colorful stories. Then there's Cut Story. You've probably noticed that videos on Insta stories get cut off after 15 seconds. This makes it difficult to record anything since often the order gets jumbled up when you share it. So this app will trim the videos for you. All you have to do is record them using your phone camera, fix them up in Cut Story, and then upload them to your Insta for seamless stories. The last app we recommend is called Unfold. This app gives you access to a clean and professional looking template, making it easy to post 1 to 5 pictures on each story. We hope you like these apps as much as we have, and if you're getting ready to use these apps to showcase your travel adventures, please tag us at Roam Abroad, and we can't wait to see what memories and pictures you create.